this video, I will show you how to cancel an order that does not show on DoorDash. So if you have placed an order on DoorDash and you cannot see it in here, then what you need to do is you need to contact the company where you have made your order. So let's say you have bought some fast food and you have bought, for example, McDonald's, and you have bought McDonald's in this shop. Then you need to get this phone number in here, and then you should call this phone number and then ask about your order, because you have placed your order with your account, so your details are visible for them, so they will know exactly if you have placed your order, and then you can actually ask them to cancel this order, and then they can process this through DoorDash, and then this will be available in your DoorDash app. So that is how you can cancel an order that is not showing in DoorDash. And if you have another question about this topic and you're wanting to cancel an order and you don't see the option to cancel it, then it is probably due to the fact that your order is already being prepared and that there is no cancellation possible, and also not for a refund. So that will look something like this. And in this case, you can see that you can click on cancel order, but it says if you cancel now, we cannot refund you. And that is, as I already said, because the store has already started preparing this order and the dasher is on its way to pick it up. So there won't be a refund available for cases like this. So that is how you cancel orders that are not showing on DoorDash. I hope this video will help you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.